What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I've got my big camera out right now because my GoPro is dead, but I wanted to show you guys this before everything else happens. So I'm here at work and I brought my car, and it is hoodless because I sent my hood to get out to get painted. So let's hop in my car and let's go down and pick up my hood. It's ready to be picked up. I'm super excited to show you guys what I did, and hopefully you guys like it, because I really like it. I also really like this look right here with the no hood look, but I think I'm gonna like it better once the hood is on. So anyways, let's go. So I'm right here, body shop, and got my hood. So I know you guys can't see what it is, but I'm excited. I haven't seen it like closed, so hopefully it came out good in how I envisioned it. Let's find out. So there it is. Got the hood color matched, and then I decided to leave the carbon vents. So I really like that. Really like how it turned out. I was getting kind of tired of the carbon, especially because it started like peeling and stuff. But man, my man's right there, Big J. That's the man right there. If you guys need any body work, any paint work done, this is the man to hit up. It's right here in San Bernardino. Man, I'm so in love with the front end. And so we got Raul's car right here, and he finally put on his movings. Got his tires on yesterday at the shop, and we powder coated them for him and all that. So right now we're gonna head out to Anaheim and meet up with the rest of the boys. So let's go. I forgot to vlog, but we're sitting in traffic. This is literally the worst part about like living in the IE, is that all like the better events are like out here closer to like LA area. So today we're gonna be going to Anaheim, but as you can tell, we're in traffic, and it's like 8 in the morning. But there's a CHP up there stopping traffic, so I wonder what they're doing. But anyways, now we're running super late. Alright, so we're rolling kind of late, so the boys were already waiting for us. But they're all right here. I guess this is a paid event. You gotta pay to get in. So let's see. Doing? All right. Good, man. Tired. Long drive. There you go. Let's go, man. That's how we do it. So we're at this event out here in Anaheim, and yeah. So parking was limited, but they opened up this spot for us, and thankfully we were able to all park together. So got Eric, We got Monstro. We got Mr. Famous Ferrari. Yo, let me get a selfie, dog. We got Monster right here. We got Daniel. Raul with the fresh R&Rs. And then I'm right here. Donnie. And I think that's Eric's homie. But it's pretty cool. It's kind of tight sparking. But it's kind of dope that they let us all park together and made space for us. It's kind of unfortunate that like stock cars like this Beamer are here when it's supposed to be somewhat of a car show. I mean, you pay to get in, so it is what it is. But it would have been cool to see, you know, a little bit more. Like, what do they call that? Like, filtering them and filtering the cars and stuff. It is what it is. Raul forced me to clean my car.
It's for a good cause.
So, just wiped down the fender and the door, and then the engine bay and the hood, the front end, and the wheels. But car's dirty. That's nice. It's on work wheels.
That's actually so there's no need for like radiator.
Oh, look at that car. Yeah. Hakosuka.
Yeah, I saw that. And the fuel cell, it's like...
Man, I keep forgetting to vlog. There's some sick cars today. This 8.6 goes so hard right here. Wheel fitment on point. Nice paint. This is so sick. Hella nice cars.
Diamonds in the rough here. Like, there's like two over there.
If I were to build another car, it would definitely be a 240. But it'd be a toss-up between an S13 or an S14. The S14 because of Koki front, but S13 because Silvio front. It's a nice NSX. They got a Hakosuka right there. I think it's so freaking sick. Some really nice cars. Really, really nice cars, but I keep forgetting to vlog. We got down here, little Mini Cooper right there. Look at that little thing. Bro, they put googly eyes on this little thing. That's fucking hilarious. A Halloween theme going on. It's spoopy season, you know. It's kind of cool. Carbon fiber front end. I don't even know what this is. A little golf cart. Oh, it's a smart cart. That's funny. This S14 is nice. It's real nice. I love how you can, oh, that's an RB. Oh man, that's sick. But I love how you can fit like really big wheels on these cars and give it like a really mean stance to it. And you got these mall crawlers. Got to flex on the sidewalk. This thing is sick. It's on air. What is this? Is it a Rocket Bunny kit? Might be a Rocket Bunny kit. But it's nice. I like the color. Wheel setup goes hard. So it's a fairly small event, but some really nice cars out here, like I've been saying. So try to film as much as I could, or as much as I wanted to. I'm still trying to enjoy myself, but like I said, got the boys down here, and yeah, we it's always so mind-boggling. You got cars like this Beamer, a Ferrari, you know, Porsche and stuff. Yet these Civics just somehow always call the crowd, you know. I mean, for good reason. Look at Donnie's sedan, you know. This thing is beautiful. My car, I don't really think it's too much. Obviously, you know, I really love my car, but like compared to like Donnie's car, you know, or even like Eric's car, you know, I feel like those cars are on different levels. But you know, these cars, they always call out the crowd, you know. Like look at Eric's engine bay. This thing is so fresh, and just like the whole car in general, you know. And then we got Rob's car right here. This thing is so sick. Peep his center caps though. This freaking lip is massive. Like your pee-pee?
Yes, sir. That's how I measure my lips, dude.
Oh shit.
I'm saying.
Hey yo, this is a kids channel, bro.
That's not a kids channel anymore, bro. You
Oh,
gotta go beep.
Yeah.
I know. Thank you, man. Thank you.
But yeah, you know, this is some nice cars. It's a cool event. I guess they're actually judging cars, but we didn't get any judging slips, but it's cool because we just came to have a good time anyways.
We just came to have a good time. That's it.
We just came for the food. You'll see that in a few.
He came for the food.
Oh, yeah.
I came to have a good time.
Always got to get the food in the vlog.
That's it.
Always. But dude, I got some good news for the channel. You know, it is growing, thankfully, thanks to you guys and all the sharing and everything that you guys do. So we got a sponsorship for the channel, and hopefully I can do a giveaway for you guys pretty soon. So more information on that at the end of the vlog. So let's see what we're gonna get into next. All right, so about to go grab some grub. Food vlog in full effect. Let's go.
Look, you guys are trying to bring the old school stuff back.
All right, Donnie, where we at?
We're in the kitchen.
The Hawaiian kitchen.
The Hawaiian kitchen.
Duh.
This is
DA, fool.
this is K-Rari approved right here. So
Oh yeah.
got some chicken, some rice, some potato mac salad.
Dude.
Fire?
For boneless.
That's not boneless?
I don't think so.
You sure?
It's just a big ass
I heard
piece,
some
dog.
crack right now.
Yeah, that's the what do you call it?
Anyways, we right here. We grubbing.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. We're heading home. Super hot. I think we stop by the gas station, put a little bit of fuel. Now, let's go sit in some traffic. All right, so it is the following day. I'm here at my office, just here to close out the vlog. Yesterday was sick. Drove the car another 130 miles, and you know, just on the way home, it was pretty freaking hot. It was like really high 90s, and the car was just heat soaking. But I mean, there was traffic. It's not like I could do any pulls or anything like that, anyways. But it was a little nerve wracking. You know, I'm watching the temp gauge go up, and you know, as the turbo's working, you know, it's obviously creating more heat and stuff. So that was kind of nerve wracking. But anyways, we made it home. Yeah, so I just want to take a quick moment to let you guys know that we got our first sponsorship for the YouTube channel. So super excited about that. And I'm really excited about being able to give you guys something. So keep an eye out for the next video. I just got a new lens in for my camera, and I was waiting for that lens to come in so I could do the install video. So this company called Max Peeting Rods sent me a set of coilovers to test and review, and we're close to 1,000 subs, and I think once we hit 1,000 subs, I'm just gonna go ahead and give away a set of coilovers, and they gave me a discount code for all my subs and all my followers on Instagram and everything to use, and I'm really excited to put on these coilovers and really like give you an honest review about them. They're not too expensive, but I opened up the box and they look like they're built pretty good actually. So I'm running Buddy Club coilovers on my car right now, and you know, I'm really excited to see how they're going to compare, because these new coilovers have 32-way dampening adjustments, and it's a one-piece coilover. You can, you know, adjust the preload on the spring, and then you've got the lower collars to, you know, either raise the height or drop the height. And you know, so like I said, I'm really excited to do this review for you guys and be able to finally give you guys something back. And you know, big thank you to Max Peeting Rods for jumping on board and being able to supply me, you know, a set of coilovers for the channel. And you know, it's super cool because, you know, you see all these huge channels get all the support, and it's cool that my little channel is starting to, you know, head in that direction. So hopefully this is the first of many, not for myself, but, you know, so I can give back to you guys, because, you know, I like filming and editing and making these vlogs for you guys. I know some of us are in different situations who can't enjoy the car stuff as much as I do, or, you know, most of us out here in Southern California do. But at the end of the day, you know, I do this stuff, you know, for you guys. And I'm really excited for this opportunity to be able to give something back to you guys. So with that being said, keep a lookout for the next video. I'm going to be filming it with my big camera, my Sony, and I'm going to try to make it as nice as I can. And you know, thank you guys so much for the continued support. I appreciate you guys to the fullest. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.